Good morning, catastrophic science students. Welcome to Thursday, May 7th. Seniors, we're down to our final 2 days. Seniors, all you have is today's assignment and tomorrow's assignment, and you are finished with the fourth 9 weeks. E-learning is over for you. Congratulations. If you're a senior or an underclassman for that matter that has missing assignments, you may continue to submit those. Seniors, keep submitting them. If you're missing stuff and you're hoping to pass this 9 weeks, you can keep submitting assignments until we tell you that it's too late. I don't know the exact date that last work will be accepted for seniors. So until I hear otherwise, keep submitting. And as soon as I hear the actual date, I will let you know. So you will not be caught in a situation where you're doing assignments past the due date. I promise I'll let you know as soon as I hear. So there is still time to catch up. There's still time to pass. You will receive 100% credit for any assignments that you turn in, regardless of the due date of those. As we've been saying, focus on assignments that are from April 17th up through the present time. When you're making up assignments, those are the ones you want to focus on first, April 17th up through now. The district decided to emphasize those assignments most in terms of determining whether you pass or not pass this 9 weeks. And the big advantage for you students, why would you want to go back and do assignments and catch up and pass this 9 weeks? Well, the answer is a passing grade this 9 weeks counts as 100% for your 9 weeks grade. So you could have failed last 9 weeks with the 50%. The floor, the lowest grade you could get, 50%. And if you pass this e-learning, you would get 100%. 100% and a 50% means that your semester average would be a 75, a C, which would be a huge positive impact on your GPA. It also would guarantee you your science credit for the second semester. So catch up, get that 100%. You deserve it, and you will be rewarded for catching up. Where are we right now in catastrophic science? We are on the nuclear unit. Underclassmen, your 9 weeks finishes up Wednesday of next week, on Wednesday, May 13th. So you only have really 5 days of e-learning left. Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if you are an underclassman. Seniors, your last day is tomorrow, the 8th, Chernobyl Day. All right, today we are going to take a look at the most dangerous places on Earth that have been impacted by nuclear radiation. There's a Google Doc and some video clips to watch. When you're finished, submit that to me by my email. Submit it to my email, share it with me, whatever you want to do. To access the videos, just click on the blue titles a couple times and the video should pop right up. And then tomorrow, seniors, you'll finish with Chernobyl. Underclassmen, we do have a few more nuclear things to do next week. Finish strong, but most of all, just finish off your e-learning, earn your passing grade, get your 100% for this 9 weeks. Thank you for all of your work.